Hello everyone, my name is Olincia Valentina, and through this video I would like to talk about 6 English proficiency tests that are commonly used internationally. So let's get started. Okay, for the first one, there is IELTS or International English Language Testing System. IELTS is a test that used to measure a person's English language skills with reliable and global recognized standards. In IELTS, there are two types divided. For the first, IELTS academic, and the second one is IELTS general training. And in this IELTS test, there are 4 component skills that measure in this test, such as speaking, and then listening, reading, and writing. Well, if you want to take this IELTS test, you can go to a language test institution such as the British Council Indonesia Foundation in Jakarta City, and the cost you need to spend for this IELTS test around 2,600,000 Indonesian rupiah to 3,750,000 Indonesian rupiah. And this test certificate is valid for 2 years only. So, this is the example of IELTS test you can see on the screen. Okay, the second one is TOEIC or Test of English for International Communication. TOEIC is an international standardized test that measures English language skills in the workplace context, and this test consists of 2 formats. The first assesses listening and reading skill, and the second one is assesses speaking and writing skills. And for those of you who are interested in taking this test, you can visit the International Test Center ITC in Jakarta. And the cost of this test around from 675,000 Indonesian rupiah to 1,500,000 Indonesian rupiah. The certificate in this test is only valid for 2 years after you taking the test. And this is the example of TOEIC test. Next, there is PTE or Pearson Test of English. Pearson Test of English is a computer-based English proficiency test used for academic, professional, and immigration purpose. This test measures 4 component skills in the form of speaking, reading, listening, and writing. And if you are interested with this test, you can take this test at PTE academic test centers in Indonesia, such as in Tangerang, Surabaya, and West Kalimantan. And the price of this test starts from 2,700,000 Indonesian rupiah to 3,600,000 Indonesian rupiah with a certificate validity period of 2 years. And this is the example of PTE test. Next, there is TOEFL or Test of English as a Foreign Language. TOEFL is one of the English proficiency tests that is widely accepted in various countries of the world. This test is an internationally recognized standardized test that aims to assess reading, assess listening, speaking, and writing skills. In TOEFL, there are 4 types tests, which are IBT, TOEFL IBT, TOEFL ITP, TOEFL PBT and TOEFL CBT. And yeah, you can do this test at an official test institution or university that has collaborated with the institutions that organizes this TOEFL test. And the cost you need to prepare is around 500,000 Indonesian rupiah to 3 million Indonesian rupiah, depending on the test you choose. The validity period of this test certificate is the same as the others, which is only for 2 years. And this is the example of TOEFL test. Next, Cambridge English Qualification is an internationally recognized exam designed to assess and improve English language ability across all 4 skills, such as reading, speaking, listening, and writing. This test consists of 3 different types that can be intended for school, for general, and for business. And this test can be taken at institutions such as the Cambridge Exam Preparation Center in Indonesia, and the cost to take this Cambridge test starts from 1 million Indonesian rupiah to 2,600,000 Indonesian rupiah. And the most interesting of this Cambridge test is that certificate is valid without a time limit. So this is the example of Cambridge test you can see on the screen. Last, we have MET or Michigan English Test. MET is an English proficiency test that measures the English proficiency of non-native speakers for practical, academic, and professional purposes. This test measures 4 components: speaking, reading, writing, and also listening. This test can be taken at official test centers that administer this test, or for more information, you can visit the official MET website. And the cost that you need to prepare for this test is around 1,400,000 Indonesian rupiah to 3 million Indonesian rupiah. And the test certificate for this MET test is valid for 2 years. So this is the example of MET test. Okay, so that's all. The 6 tasks English proficiency. The 6 tests are all useful for measuring a person's English proficiency, but there are still differences in this test. For example, IELTS and TOEFL tests can use for academic, work, or immigration, and accepted in almost all countries in this world. And then TOEIC test is used for work purpose and commonly used in Asian countries. And then there is PTE test is usually accepted in Australia, USA, UK, Canada, Germany, and New Zealand. And then Cambridge test used in the United Kingdom and has a certificate that is valid for lifetime. And MET test is for educational or professional purposes. And also the price of the 6 tests and the location or the duration is also different. And if you ask which test is better, I think all of these tests are very good because they are recognized in almost all countries, and it depends to what purpose you take the test for. If you want to take this test for academic purposes, maybe you can choose the TOEFL or IELTS test. Actually, I personally recommend you a TOEFL test because besides being accepted in almost all countries in this world, this TOEFL test is quite cheap compared to other tests, and it's also easy to find because there are many institutions that holding this TOEFL test. And from my experience, I have tried to join a pre-TOEFL simulation test that was conducted online, and well, I think the challenge was in the listening section because the audio was only played once, so I had to really listen and understand the audio. But from this simulation test, I can understand, and I know I know what I need to improve before I actually taking the real TOEFL test in the future. And yeah, I think so. That's all from me about the 6 types of international English proficiency test. And I hope through this video can give benefit for all of us, especially for who want to take the English proficiency test. Thank you and goodbye.